A piston of mass m is equal to 3 kg and radius 4 centimeter has a hole into which a thin pipe of wire or pipe of radius r is equal to 1 centimeter is inserted. The piston can enter a cylinder tightly and without friction, and initially is at the bottom of the cylinder. 750 gram of water is now poured into the pipe so that the piston and the pipe are lifted up as shown in the figure. It has been lifted by a certain height. Find the height h of water in the cylinder and the height h. Okay, we have to find out two values of the water in the pipe. Neglect the width of the piston. Now first of all, understand that what will be the water raised in the piston. Okay, what will be the water raised in the piston above that part. Okay, above that part, that is the value of small h. What will be the value of small h? Now first of all, understand that if I consider this small h, which is in balance from the force from the above and from the below, okay, or the pressure from above as well as from below, I can say that the pressure along this section, will be equal to rho g into h. Okay, the pressure along this section will be equal to rho g into h. Okay, now the rho g part, okay, I can say that over here h will be equal to p divided by rho into g. Okay, p divided by rho into g. Now the p can be written as force upon area rho into g. Okay, and the force part is written as mg divided by a rho into g. So the g and g will get cancelled off from the numerator and from the denominator. It will be equal to the total height raised, that is the small h, will be equal to m divided by a into rho. Now understand that how did I get this value of force as m into g, and what it has to do with this. Understand that when the entire system is in equilibrium, along this part, okay, it means that the mass of the piston, okay, whatever is the mass of the piston that is pushing the water in the, that is due to this part, it is pushing the water, okay, it is applying pressure on this water from all the possible directions, due to which this water rises up this vessel. Okay, the water rises up this pipe. Okay, when the water rises up this pipe, okay, it will rise only till a certain amount. Now what is the pressure applied by this piston? The pressure applied by this piston will be equal to F by A, that I have written over here. Okay, and due to this pressure there will be rise in the liquid inside this pipe, which will be equal to rho gh. Okay, so both these pressures are same, so I have written pressure as rho gh, and the same pressure I have written as F by A. So when I substitute the values over here, it will be equal to, the mass over here is given as 3 kg, area over here, if I want to calculate the area, first of all understand that if I want to calculate the area, the radius over here is given as 1 centimeter. Okay, the radius over here is given as 1 centimeter of the small pipe, and of the larger pipe it is given as 4 centimeter. Okay, of the smaller pipe it is given as 1 centimeter, and the larger pipe it is given as for this pipe it is given as for the smaller pipe it is 1 centimeter, and for the entire piston it is 4 centimeter. So what is the area on which this piston is applying force? The area, now understand that I have already marked it in red, that this area will be the area of the piston, or the pressure that is developed due to the area on a piston. Okay, so this area will be equal to area of the piston, okay, area of the entire piston, which is equal to pi into 4 the whole square minus this pipe, it will be equal to 1 square. So basically it will be equal to 15 pi into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, why minus 4? Because it is in centimeter. So this is the area. Okay, so it will be equal to, I will substitute the values, it will be equal to 15 pi into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, into the density of the water is equal to 10 raised to 3. So when I substitute the values, h over here will be equal to 3 divided by 1.5 pi. Okay, or it can be written as 2 by pi. Okay, it can be written as the total height raised will be equal to 2 by pi. Let it be as it is. Okay, the total height raised will be equal to 2 by pi meter. Okay. Now we have to calculate the value of capital H. In order to calculate the capital H, first of all understand that initially 750 gram of water was poured. Okay. Some water is in this, some water is below this piston, okay, below this piston in this tank, and some water is above this piston. Okay. So I can say that the total 750 gram will be equal to the mass of the water in the pipe plus mass of the water in the tank that is below the piston. Now 750 gram will be equal to density. Okay, the 750 gram, if I convert it into kg, it will be equal to into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, so it will be equal to density into volume. Okay, so it will be equal to density into volume. So density over here of both of them is same. The density over here is equal to 10 raised to 3. Okay, let it be as it is, into volume over here. Okay, so now when I consider the volume, over here, it will be equal to volume over here will be equal to 4 by 3 pi, okay, into r, okay, 4 by, or sorry, it will be equal to pi r square, sorry, it will be equal to pi r square into h plus pi capital R square into capital H. Okay, now this can be written as 750 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, 750 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, it will be equal to 750 into 10 raised to minus 6. I will take pi common, r square over here. Okay, r square over here will be equal to the radius square. The radius will be given by, the radius is given by over here, the radius over here of the smaller section is given as 1 centimeter, and of the larger is given as 4 centimeter. So radius over here will be equal to 1 centimeter, which will be equal to 10 raised to minus 4 over here, into h. Small h will be written as 2 by pi. Okay, plus pi into capital R square will be equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 the whole square into capital H. Okay, so this part, when I simplify the value over here, you will get the value of h as, if I continue solving this, it will be equal to 750 into 10 raised to minus 6. It will be equal to pi into over here 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, so 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 divided by pi plus 16 pi into 10 raised to minus 4 into h. Okay, into over here h. Okay, if I have taken a pi common, this part will get removed from here. Okay, so it will be equal to, just simply equal to 16 into 10 raised to minus 4 into h. Okay, so now over here let us continue with this part. Okay, let us continue with this part. So it will be equal to 750 into 10 raised to minus 6. It will be equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 plus 16 pi into 10 raised to minus 4 h. Okay, so when I simplify the value, okay, it can be written as 7.5 minus 2, which is equal to 5.5. Okay, 10 raised to minus 4 will get cancelled out everywhere, into is equal to 16 pi into h. So over here h will be equal to 11 divided by 32 pi. Okay, h over here will be equal to 11 divided by 32 pi meter. Okay, this is the value of capital H.